Hi all, welcome once again to the Cloud Learners channel. So in this tutorial what we are going to see is how to launch the web server using EC2 instances, and this time this EC2 instance will be the Windows based. So let's click on the EC2. Okay, recently lots of change has been done by the AWS to the console. Okay, so previously we are coming to the instances dashboard kind of thing, right? Lots of things are there. Okay, like this one. So now we are coming to the another page. So here you will click and then instance learning. After that, launch instance, and here you will select the AMI. Okay, so I am going to choose the Windows one. So let's suppose I am choosing this one, server 2019 free trial eligible. Select. Okay, here t2.micro. Who has not seen how to launch the instance once, so they can refer the video which is shown here in the I link over there. And here we are good to go with the number of instances, network, subnet, and so on. So not an issue. 30 GB is okay with me right now. Add tags. So right now tag will be name and key will be name, and the value will be web server. Okay, next we need to configure the security group. So here I am good to go with this thing. Here there will be little minor changes which I will reveal you after launching the instance or after successfully installing the web server, okay, in the EC2 instance. So just I am good to go with this thing, so just leaving the things over here. Okay, so launch wizard 1. So here web server security group. Okay, review and launch. Okay, I'm good to go with the services. Here I will use the existing key QW and launch instance. Okay, so here we are able to see that our instance is launching right now. It is in the pending state. Meanwhile it is launching, and this status check will get cleared, means it will become 2 by 2. So I'm just pausing the video right now, and we'll get back once again after this status check will get completed. Okay guys, so its status check got completed. So it's a 2 by 2 checks passed. So we are good to go with to launch our instance. Okay, not launch our instance, we are good to go with the server, right? So just click here and click on the connect. So go to the RDP client, then get password. Here you just browse the file, that is qw.pem. okay, and decrypt the password. After decrypting the password, just copy it here and go to the RDP. Okay, here just give your public IP. So public IP is 160.183.76. Connect. Okay, here username is administrator. Password we have just copied. So okay, we are good to go with this thing too, and we are inside our server. So this is our Windows based server that we have just created. Now here we will see how to configure the web server over here. Okay, so it's not a rocket science kind of thing. You can easily do the things. So if you are aware how to create instance, it's a good thing. Otherwise, first learn how to create instance, all those things by practicing, and after that come to this video once again. Okay, so what you need to do here, now we need to install the web server, right? So click here in the Windows button. See, you can see here server manager. Okay, click on the server manager. Okay, this server manager will get open, and after that you need to wait for some time. Okay, because if you will click here add roles and feature, so it will give you some kind of notice or message that server manager is collecting inventory data. The wizard will be available after data collecting finishes. So you need to wait over here, because after launching this server manager dashboard, we need to click on the add roles and feature. Okay, so now here you just don't need to do anything. Click on the next rule based I want. Okay, by default one server is available, so it will automatically get selected. Now after that, we will come in this window. So here you need to select now web server IaaS. Okay, select server role. How do we perform that, or how do we want that the server will perform any kind of role? Okay, this windows. So web server, add features, click on the next. We are good to go with this by default setting. Next, next, here also next, and then install. So now once installation will be done, okay, we need to just do one thing. We need to copy our HTML file or whatever the pages you have. So see, right now if I will go inside my directory C drive, okay, so in C drive I won't find any kind of folder except these named as netpub. Okay, so after installing this server, we will get one folder too. Okay, so let's wait. Now first this installation will get done, and after that we will see. So till now what we had done, we have launched the EC2 instance, we did RDP, and we are inside our server. After that we have launched the server manager by clicking on the start button, and we clicked on the add roles and feature here, next, and then we selected what, the web server IaaS. Then all the settings are by default is good. Okay, so just click on the next, and finally install. Once installation will get done, okay, there will be one folder. See, inetpub is there now. Okay, previously it was not there. So if you will go inside this inetpub, you can see www root. So this is the by default HTML document that is there. So I don't want this document right now. Let's suppose I want something, my website. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy some default website that I have downloaded. Okay, this one. Just copy the things from here to our server, and see, once we will just assign the IP address, let's see what happens. Okay, whether we are able to access the page or not. First we will access the page from inside our server, means from here only. I hope installation will get done. Yeah, installation succeeded. Just close this window. Okay, so close this window too. Now IP address of our machine is 65.0.183.76. okay, so just try to access this IP address from inside our machine, whether we are able to get the page or not. Okay, 65.0.183.76. see whether I'm getting the things or not. Let's check from the machine itself. I'm not searching it, I'm just going through the things. Why it has given me this search thing? Okay, I'm not getting this thing here. Okay, let's try to access the things. It's showing me something else right now. Okay, let's try to access the machine from outside world, means from our server. So I'm going to my tab 65.0.183.76, Am I able to access? See, it is taking time, means we are not able to access it. Why this thing is happening now? Okay, we have successfully launched the instance, we have successfully configured the web server, but still. So main point is, see, if I will go to the instance once again and I will click on my security group. Okay, so I need to access the web server. Got it? So if I need to access the web server, see, here it is saying can't reach this page, because obviously we are not able to reach the page. Why it is so? Just because of one fact, that we have not defined any kind of port through which we can access our website. See, if I will go on the edit inbound rules, I have not given any kind of HTTP or HTTPS rule here. So just click on the HTTP. Okay, do it right now anywhere. And if in case you have SSL certificate, okay, right now it won't work for us because we are not installing any kind of SSL certificate. So but if you have SSL certificate, so you can go for the HTTPS too. Just save the rule. Okay, now if we will try to access this thing, see, we are able to access it. Right now, if I will go inside my server, and once again if I will try to launch the same, means try to access the website from here too, I will be able to access. See, previously it was not coming, it is going to the search page, but now it is coming. Why so? Because we have clearly defined the HTTP port. Okay, meanwhile I want to show you one more thing. Now see, if you will give here HTTPS, okay, see, site will not open because we have not configured, we have not installed the SSL certificate till here, or we have not redirected HTTPS to HTTP. Not yet. Okay, we will do it later on when we talk about the route 53, but right now, see, can't reach this page. But if I will remove this S, I'm able to access this page. So this is how you can install the web server, and you can put your custom website in your web server and you will be able to access it. I hope you will find this tutorial useful, and looking forward for your feedback and comments, so that it will be helpful for me to, if I am doing some mistakes, or which helps me to improve. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Catch you in the next video.